1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use get rid of. Get rid of means to throw away or destroy something that you don't want anymore. I bought a new phone, so I got rid of my old one. It also means to do something to remove an unwanted feeling. I took some medicine to get rid of my headache. Another meaning of get rid of is to make someone leave. She told him that she has a boyfriend to get rid of him. Give it a go. Is there something or someone that you want to get rid of? Let us know in the comments below.